Then they fly you then they fly you Yes, so we can then they fly you come on, body then they fly you then they fly you. I want to assure you that your support for our team, consolidation of the new Rivers Vision, will take Eleme to a greater height.
Yes, sir.
How do we achieve this? It's a community, not just a community, it's a city-state that I know. It's a business hub. All the companies, moreover the oil and services, and including the shipping lines, they operate majorly in Eleme.
Yes, sir.
Supporting our consolidation team will help us and help you, because we will ensure that we'll work with the leaders of this LGA, we'll work with the council chairman to ensure that the companies here work with our government.
Yes, sir.
To provide employment, better opportunity. The truth about it is that we have these opportunities, but we have not been making good use of it because of wrong placement. Our government will ensure that will support you, support your leaders, so that you get the better opportunity and enjoy what God has blessed you with. We have a few projects, not just few, many projects that is ongoing in this LGA. We have the Moji, Alisa, and I think refinery. We have the Abonche. We have the Alode. In all these projects, they just reminded me, Alode Internal Road. We have the new comprehensive. But the truth about it is, this government is doing everything to complete it. But if they do not, before the end of their tenure, we will complete it.
Yes, sir.
For the betterment of this LGA. I want to assure you, I am a man of peace. Peace goes with development.
Yes.
We will support every one of you the way we can to make sure that the life of Eleme people are better and better.
PDP, power to the people.